recipes, and this morning I'm going to do some Pillsbury Grand Cinnamon Rolls. There's only 5 in this container, so I'm going to do 3 on my little Pit Boss tailgater back here. Show you how that's done, and I'm going to do 2 of them on my Blackstone Griddle and show you how we do them on this. And then we'll see which one we like better. Alright? We're going to let these heat up, and we'll be back. Okay, so since while the Pit Boss is warming up, we're going to go ahead and open these up, get them ready. Pretty simple, right? Ah, you hate when that happens? Okay. Ah, they're really coming apart too. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get a little bit of butter. Coat the bottom of our pan. And the sides. Lots of butter. Who doesn't like butter, right? Okay. We kind of fix up these cinnamon rolls a little bit. They kind of got jacked up in getting them out of the pan. That's all right. We just fix them, right? There's 2. And number 3. These are all gonna, I'm sure, hit each other once they're baked, cooked, smoked, however you want to say it. Now we're going to run our Pit Boss at 350 degrees. I'm going to run my griddle on low at start. I might turn it up, but it's going to be pretty low. We'll be back when the Pit Boss is warmed up. Okay, the Pit Boss is heated up to 340. I open the lid. It's down to, it's 340. It's going up to 350. So I'm going to go ahead and get these cinnamon rolls in there. The instructions say 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes, so we'll check them. We'll put them in there and we'll keep an eye on them. Let's get them in. Just set them in right here. It's just that easy. We'll check them in about 15 minutes. Okay. Let's get our cinnamon rolls on the Blackstone. Put one right there. One right there. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of parchment paper and I'm going to put a little butter on there. I don't know if you can see that, I'm melting it over here. And I'm going to put that right on top of that cinnamon roll. You guessed it. I'm going to smash it down. Going to hold it for about 10 seconds. Alright, put the butter on there to keep that from sticking, even though it's stuck a little bit. I'll put a little more butter on here. For the next one. Put that over like that. Press it down and hold it for 10 seconds. Okay, so we can get our parchment paper off. That's pretty good. Now we're just going to let them bake, let them cook. We'll check them here in a minute. I did forget to put a little butter down, so I'm going to put a little butter down and move them. So we'll be right back. Cinnamon roll's been going for a few minutes. Go ahead and flip them. Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay. Smash them down a little bit. these cook. We'll be back. Okay, it's been about 16 minutes. Yep, looking good. Let them go for another 5 or so. Flip these back over once again, so they don't get burnt. Yes, indeed. Looking good. Flip these one more time. They're looking pretty darn good. Let them go a couple minutes. The ones in the Pit Boss got a couple more minutes to go. We'll check those here in a second. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take these off. They look like they're done. Set them on my tray here. We'll give the ones in the Pit Boss a look. Look at that. Right, let's check them out. Looking pretty good. I think I'm going to let these go just for, I don't know, a couple more minutes. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, close the lid. We'll be back in about 25 minutes. See how they're looking. Looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and pull these off and let them cool, and we'll get them some little icing on top and enjoy them. Okay, here I got the cinnamon rolls off from the Pit Boss. Got my cinnamon rolls from the Blackstone. I do have some bacon. We're going to cook up some eggs to go along with this. We're going to let these cool for just a second and get some icing on them. We will be right back. There we go. Bacon, eggs, cinnamon rolls. Let's get some of that icing on here. Kind of cold out here, so hopefully it'll still melt. Okay, those are the cinnamon rolls on the Blackstone. Let's move this over. Get the icing on these. Cinnamon rolls out of the Pit Boss. Guess I didn't have to show you how to do this. You know how to do this. Okay. I took one, let's see, we'll get it in the sunshine. I took one out of the tray just so we could see the bottom. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect. Alright. My little pinwheels off the Blackstone. Sorry about the arm. Look at that. Whoa. That's beautiful too. Look at that. Oh man. Alright, we'll have to just do a taste test on these, right? Look at that. Blackstone versus Pit Boss. Trying to stay out of the sunlight because it is bright. Now this is a piece of the one off the Blackstone. A smashed cinnamon roll, if you will. That's pretty good. Okay. One off the Pit Boss, I cut it in half. Came out perfect. I'm actually just going to take this end piece off on the outside for the taste test. My God, that is really good. Let's see that. Blackstone, it's a little more dense because it's smashed. It is cooked nice all the way through. Hey, either way, sorry. Okay, either way, cinnamon rolls come out great on the Pit Boss pellet smoker. I did it on the Tailgater just because I had 3 of them. I did 2 on the Blackstone. Either way you want to do them, they're both awesome. It just depends what you're in the mood for. If you're regular cinnamon roll, use the Pit Boss. If you want to try something different, smash them on the Blackstone. They're absolutely delicious. So there you go. Pit Boss Pellet Grill versus the Blackstone Griddle for cinnamon rolls. Depends what you're in the mood for. They're both very delicious. So sorry I'm not giving you my opinion. I like them both. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe right over there, and I will see you on the next video.